Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to track someone using their phone number. It's a great alternative if you have family, children, and you want to track them, you want to know where they are. Before you go any further, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, I've been using this application for a very long time to track my children, my family, my wife. If they tell me they go to school, I track them to find out where they are exactly. And also I can see how fast they're driving and what are they doing. This app can give you a lot of information about your children, your family, your friends, whoever you want to track. You can find out how fast they're driving and also how hard they brake while they're driving and how much time they use on their phone while they're driving. It tracks every single move of your family, children, friends, just for security purpose. It's not like spying on people, but it's just for security purpose. And as you can see, it has crash detection, identity theft protection, and some other stuff. But some other stuff requires subscription, but I've been using it for free. And if you want to get more stuff in there, you can subscribe, and they charge $14 a month for $14.99 a month to get full access of the app. But I've been using it for free. So, it detects crash detection, and also it can call emergency services, roadside assistance, but some of them you have to subscribe monthly, and it is $14.99, but you can use it for free. So when we talk about tracking someone, everybody think about negativity, but it is not. It is just a security purpose, so you know where your friends are, your children. So it is just a security reason, to protect somebody, loved ones, and friends, best friends as well. And as you can see here, I got all my family in that area, so pretty much we are all close to home. Some of them are home, some of them are on the road. Like, and you see my wife, she's moving, and you can see the speed she's driving to, 6 miles per hour. I'm sure she was at the traffic light. And over here it gives you details of all stuff she made. It gives you all the directions, addresses, and everything. I mean, with my family, we don't hide anything. We all transparent. We all know where everybody is. They know where I am, I know where they are. And some of the features are locked, so you need to subscribe, but most of the time I use it for free. I've been using it for free for a very long time, and I'm very satisfied with this application. And as you can see, this is me right here. It shows my current location, and when I scroll down, when I scroll up, it's going to show me the steps I made throughout the day. So it shows every single step I made and how fast I was driving, and also it gives me the mileage. And when you go to settings, you can set this application. You can go to settings and you can set up your account, set up your profile, and also read the privacy and all this, and also support. You can contact support, and also drive detection. It is very amazing application, man. If you looking for some security for your family, you can get your own circle. So I have a family of 6, so all my family are in this application, and everybody's tracking me, and I track them. So there's nothing to hide. It is just a very positive attitude, so you know where everyone is, so you can have a great peace of mind. And guys, to add someone, I'm going to show you how to do it. So when you go to the list, you can just hit add, and you can share the code via text message. So I'm going to send a text message to myself on my other phone. I'm using an iPhone right now with this application, but I'm going to send a text to my other phone, which is an Android, which means that this application is available for Android and iPhone. All you have to do is just go to your App Store and search for Life360, or go to Google Play Store for Android and search for Life360. And as you can see here, I send myself a text message, and then I'm going to take my Android phone to accept the invitation. And now I can click on that link, and it's going to open up the application. It's going to take you to the Google Play Store if you don't have it. But since I had it installed, it just opened it up. And over here, you're going to verify your phone number, and they're going to send you a 6-digit code. Once you verify it, you can put your username, password, and also some other information you might need to put in, such as your date of birth and etc. So I'm putting my first and last name, and also you can add email address. You can put your email address, and then after that it's gonna ask you your date of birth. So it says create your password, so you're gonna have to create a password. So, and then after that you're gonna put in your date of birth, and after you did all that information you needed, hit on continue, and then you're gonna do some settings on your phone, such as some permissions, so you can let the app use your location. And over here I'm gonna hit on OK here, and it's gonna show me a list. Here you can choose what you supposed to be, you're a son or a dad, mom, but since I'm in there already, I'm just gonna hit on others. So it's just gonna give me a different name. And then after that you're gonna see you're gonna go set up the permission. So you're gonna let the application use your location all the time. And also if you are power mode settings to save up battery, you need to disable that. So once you disable it, you can really use the application. So it's gonna keep monitoring everybody 24/7 using the real-time location. So over here I'm gonna say allow all the time, and then I hit on OK. And then over here I'm gonna check my low power mode settings. So my phone was on low power mode, but you have to make sure that it is on full mode. So now this is my location history. It's gonna monitor my location history and everything. And then I go back to setting, and I can turn off the low power mode button. So once you put it on, you're ready to go. So the application is running in the background, giving information to your family or friend your real-time location. And as you can see, this is my phone number that I added. It's the last one on the list, as you can see there. So when I click on it, it's gonna give me information about where I am, and also information about where everyone else is. So as you can see on the map here, we are in the same location. So coming back to my iPhone, so what I have to do is just go back and look for my name. And on my iPhone, I'm like on the very top. So when I click on it, it shows me my current location, and also give me informations about it. Even give informations about your phone's battery, how much battery you have on your phone, and also you can text your family or friends through the application. And as you can see here, my wife is driving, and she's driving at 37 miles per hour in an area where there is 45 miles per hour speed limit. So she's doing very good. So I have a peace of mind here. I don't have to worry about anything but her speeding up or anything like that. And these are the places that she went throughout the day. I can look it up and see how much she was driving, how many miles she was driving, whether she was speeding or hard braking or using her phone while she is driving. And again, that's me. I'm gonna show you my location where I went all day long. I went to work, but I work outside, so I drive around, and it shows every stop I make and how fast I was driving as well. So guys, this application is a great app. If you want to track your family, track someone, you can install it on somebody's phone. If you want to install it on their kid's phone, you can do it without them knowing that you installed it on their phones. But I think it is great for security reason, not for spying somebody, but just for security purpose. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching.